Okay, so today I'd like to share my thoughts on this. This is the Belkin 3-in-1 magnetic charger. I mentioned in my last video that A, they were nice enough to send it to me, and B, I unboxed it, of course, and I mentioned that I'd be doing a follow-up. Well, it's been a week since I've had this, okay? And just for the record, you can put it here, you can put it all the way down. I usually keep it about here though, personally, because I like placing my phone right on here, just like that. And then as you can see, it's charging because I have it plugged in, because it's a pretty long cable. It's a braided cable as well, so I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, it's a braided cable as well. And there's also a slot here to, or rather a space here for you to charge your, Apple Watch. And this actually is a built in here. It's not like the regular Apple thing. This is the regular one that, comes with the Apple Watch. And this is this built in fully. I know some of the chargers, what they do is they're just a slot for you to place your Apple charger, but this one has one built in for the Apple Watch. And then there's a whole slot down here for this, okay? And then as you can see, it's charging. Yep. You can charge all of them at the same time, which I was very surprised at. And not only that, fast charging as well. And then this little switch back here, I'll be honest, I always just leave it alone. It's, I believe, on right now, but I usually just leave it that way. You can turn it off if you want. What it is the built-in cooling down fan thing it has. So if your device gets too hot, it kicks on. I don't really have it kicked on that much because it doesn't kick on that much in winter and whatnot. I assume once it gets more summer type weather, it will. But yeah, this, I personally enjoy this quite a bit. More than I thought. A lot better than the regular puck, I might add. The regular MagSafe, original MagSafe puck that you can get from the Apple store. And I'm saying that because this is fast charging. The original puck, it seemed like it was fast charging at first, but it charges way quicker. It charges my watch way quicker. It charges my phone way quicker. It's just all around quicker. And I wasn't expecting that at all. This to be so much quicker. Now, I don't really have much more to say about this, so I'm probably going to wrap up the video here. But yeah, this honestly pretty good. They have other options, like if you want something that folds up and whatnot, but this literally just sits on my desk next to me, so I'm able to just put my phone on it, put my everything on it. Well, I say everything. My phone, my AirPods, and my Apple Watch. So yeah, I'm able to put those on them just fine. But yeah, I'm gonna end it off here. I think I went fully in depth about this charger. I really do enjoy it. It gives kind of a minimalist type vibe, if that makes sense. I know it's not wireless, but it gives like a minimalist type vibe, okay? So I think it's real cool. It basically, you would normally have to have what, like 3 charging things, and it just compacts it into one charging thing. So yeah, let me know your thoughts, comment section below. If you're interested in picking up one yourself, I'll put links in the description below to Amazon and whatnot where you can check it out. And yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.